hearty welcome to all the viewers. I, Mrs. Amita Ravi, is going to discuss about electronic mail in this video. Electronic mail, in short email, is the method of exchanging messages using desktop, laptops or mobile phones having internet connection. These email accounts are used as our identification on internet. Like in our daily life, we use voter IDs, Aadhaar card for the same. They are helpful in communicating by transferring information in the form of audios, videos or PDF. These days, if we wish to access any app on the internet like Facebook or shopping website, or if I wish to configure a new mobile phone, it is must to enter my email ID. There are many benefits of these email IDs. Email can transfer information 24/7 throughout the world, that too for hundreds of users at a very low cost. No requirement of paper, envelope, stamp, postman, and the best part out of it is it automatically maintains an electronic record of the data. For creating such type of mail account, we need to take service from the email service providers. You would have heard about the word Gmail, iCloud Mail, Yahoo, Outlook. They help us to make two types of email. Number one, personal mails, which is used by a single user. Number two, business mail, which is used by an entire business company or firm. Today in this video, we are going to make a personal mail account using Gmail service provider. For that, you need to open the web browser of your computer system, maybe Google Chrome or Mozilla. Then go for Gmail. The very first page is going to ask you for logging using another account. Because we wish to create an account, we'll click on the tab Create Account. Now, as we discussed, it's asking for two options, for myself or to manage my business. We will be selecting for myself. Now, we need to enter in this first page our name, first name, last name. Username is the name which you wish to be reflected as your mail ID. Like for example, I am typing here is Amita Ravi DPS @gmail.com would be automatically added because you are using Gmail service provider. Then comes the security password. This password should be minimum of 8 digits with a combination of alphabet, symbols and numbers. Again I repeat, minimum it should be of 8 digits with a combination of alphabets, symbols and number. Always confirm before you proceed. Clicking on this tab will let us know whether Google is allowing to make ID with the same name. Okay. The next step is to enter your mobile number so that the Google can confirm that you are the right person for creating the mail. In a short while, we'll be receiving a verification code on our mobile phone. Like I have received the verification code 410414. Once Google verifies that I'm the right person, it will proceed me to the next page. Next option available here is to enter another mail ID for the case when we forget our password. But this is optional. If you wish, you may. Otherwise, it's not required. Here you need to enter your date of birth. I am entering a demo date. 10, gender, any of these could be selected. Click on next. Google is asking, would you like to connect the mobile phone to the app? You may click on yes. Finally, we are up to the last page, which shows the terms and condition of creating a mail account. So we need to click on agree. By the time it's creating our account, remember two things on this platform. Number one, note down and keep your password safely, and don't ever share it with the strangers. Number two, never forget to log out or sign out once you are done on the mailing website. See, our new account is being created, and this is the screen which is available for us for working with our mail account. You can see these options. We'll be discussing these options in the coming video. Till then, keep practicing, stay connected, and stay safe. Thank you.